Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be going over how to do an install of the CRE Suite Excel add-in on Windows. First, I will show you how to install the Excel add-in, and then if you do not already have Office installed, I will show you how to install Microsoft Office to have access to Microsoft Excel, and then we will open up the CRE Suite within Excel. So first, if I go to my internet browser, I can navigate to online.cremodels.com and log in with my credentials. Once here, you can see a download button at the top on the navigation tab. If we click download, we can see download Excel add-in. This process is very easy. I'm going to click download, and this is going to save it on my computer, or it may prompt you if you would like to run or save it. Either is fine, and if we click on it, we will see a setup file come through. It will download the required files, and it will ask if I want to make changes, and it might prompt you for Microsoft Visual Studio as well. All of these things are fairly normal, and it's a fairly simple process of just clicking through and accepting and allowing your computer to make these changes. Once that has been done, we'll see the CRE Suite Excel add-in. If you already had Microsoft Visual Studio, then this may be the first thing that you see. All we have to do is simply click install, and it will download the files, and it should run in 30 seconds or less. And there it is. It is all complete. I will hit close, and that is all there is to the installation for the Excel add-in. Now, if we don't have Microsoft Office on your computer, like this computer, I will go and navigate to office.com, where I can sign in with my Microsoft Office credentials. Once I've logged in, there will be an Install Office button that I can click on. And once navigating to here, I can click Install Office. And all I have to do is simply hit install. This will, again, give me a launcher for an installer file that we will open, and it will prompt us to go through the steps. Here, once we're on this window, it will just depend on how quickly your computer can download the Microsoft Office files. This will take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes typically, but this is dependent on your internet connection. I will see you when the download completes. Alright, it looks like our installation has finished. It will prompt us if we want the mobile apps. I'm going to click skip here. And it says you're all set. Office is installed now. Alright, so now if we minimize this window and click to our menu, we can see, if we type in Excel, that the app is here. So what I'm going to do is open up Excel, and we can see that it loads in the CRE Suite. This is the page that we'll need to see to make sure that the CRE Suite installed properly. If you already had Microsoft Excel on your computer, you'll want to make sure that you do a full shutdown and restart of Excel so that you're seeing that page, and when you click blank workbook, you're seeing book 1. If that's the case, then you should be able to see the CRE Suite ribbon. And I'll log in here and put in my credentials. And once I hit login, we can see the expanded menu from the CRE Suite, and you're all ready to go.